Welcome to solverfy.
So my vertical asymptotes, the values that make my denominator 0 after I've put the function in lowest terms. It's in lowest terms because I don't have any common factors to cancel. So I will have vertical asymptotes at x equals -1 and x equals +4. And they have to be in the form of an equation. They should say x equals. The x-intercepts are the values that make my numerator 0. So I'm going to have x-intercepts at 1 and 6. So they will be the points 1, 0, and 6, 0. I want to find the horizontal asymptotes. Horizontal asymptotes occur when the degree of your numerator is smaller than the degree of your denominator or equal to the degree of your denominator. So in this problem, my degrees are equal. So I'm going to have a horizontal asymptote at the ratio of leading coefficients. On top, that's going to be -1. On the bottom, that's +1. So a horizontal asymptote at y equals -1. Find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the value of the function when x is 0. So I just want to put in 0 for x, and that's going to give me 0 minus 1, 0 minus 6, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 4. So that's going to give me on top, I'm going to have a -1 times a -6. So that's 6. So I have -6 over 1 times -4 over -4. So that will be +3/2. So that'll be 0, 3/2. I can't see the graphs to match them, so I'm just going to sketch this graph for you and you can match them. I'm going to have an asymptote at -1 and one at 4. My x-intercepts are 1 and 6. My y-intercept is at 1.5. So my graph, my horizontal asymptote is at -1. So I always like putting the asymptotes up fairly quickly just because it gives you a graph grid to follow. So now let's see, my graph is going to be here. It's going to cross, and then it's going to be approaching that asymptote. Asymptote here, and that's going to cross. And then I'm going to have a piece right down here. So to match it, you want to go by the asymptotes. That's the easiest way. I'll mark them here for you. So find the ones at x equals 4 and x equals -1 and y equals -1.